It's raining in the house. Tell the people why it's raining in the house. Tell them. Tell them. Do you want to tell the people what happened to that? Somebody, this person here, this little person, decided he was going to wee on that mat, so I've had to give it a wash. I didn't expect it to be dripping this much water, but I can't put it in the tumble dryer, so tough. Drip dry. It's your fault, mister. Oh, look, it's raining. It's raining on you. Right, come on then. Come on then. What? Oh, what? Get him. Pussy. Get him. Get him. Get him. You're becoming quite vocal, aren't you, fella? This was only cheap. We could have just replaced it, but it's an hour and a half drive to go get one, and for like a £5 rug, you think, well, might as well just wash it. What? What's up there? Your heckles up and everything. What are you doing? Do you want to tell everyone again what happened to that? So he weed on that last night. I think he was too excited because we had people around. And you wouldn't go for a wee, would you? So when we went out to drop everyone off, you were bursting. We've cleaned this up now though. All fresh again. Oh, you look so pretty. I'm keeping you in the shadow. Pretty boy. So yeah, eventful weekend. Pablo has done 2 things. I know.